Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Nathan Payne. Today we're just going to go over JV basics. So this is just a basic overview of what JVing means. JVing stands for joint venturing. So what that means is if someone has a deal that they have under contract, whether that's a wholesale, mainly is a wholesaler that you might know. They have a deal and you will help them find a buyer for that property, and then you can either add your commission on top of their fee, or you guys can split the wholesale fee that you make. You can do a 70-30 split, you can do a 50-50, you can do whatever you want. But JVing basically is reaching out to a wholesaler that has a house under contract and helping them find an end buyer, a cash buyer that will close the deal. And you just need the proper paperwork, which we will provide to you in this course to do it. So we've done several JV deals, and basically we're going to show you in this course, the paperwork, how to find them, how to work them, how to find the buyers for them. We'll teach you all that, but it's basically finding the end buyer for someone that has a deal under contract.